Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies dough step by step. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather butter, sugar, eggs, flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. Cream butter and sugars until light, then beat in eggs and vanilla one at a time. Gradually fold in dry ingredients and finish with chocolate chips. Chill dough briefly for better shape and flavor before baking. Creaming well traps air and gives cookies lift, so take about 2 to 3 minutes to get a pale texture. Add eggs one at a time and scrape the bowl between additions for consistent emulsion. When combining dry ingredients, fold gently until just incorporated to avoid gluten development that makes cookies tough. Finish by stirring in chocolate chips by hand so they distribute evenly without overmixing the dough. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes setting timers, playing baking playlists, and checking conversions hands-free while you mix dough. I love how it keeps my counters mess-free and my music flowing during bakes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a cookie scoop for uniform cookies and space them about 2 inches apart so they spread properly. Bake on the middle rack for 9 to 12 minutes until edges turn golden but centers remain slightly soft. Let cookies cool on the sheet for 2 minutes to set, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling so they keep a tender interior and crisp edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.